Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I am doing another live or kind of I don't know, like right now action video on doing my makeup in my car before going to work. This is real time. I'm not playing around. I have 10 minutes to do my makeup. All right, first things first. I am going to moisturize under my eyes because I get really crepey. Not everybody has this problem, but I do. So I have this really cool Origins Zing refreshing eye cream to brighten and depuff on the go. So this is what I'm using. I usually put this in the morning in front of my mirror in the bathroom, but today I didn't have time. So I'm doing that. I'm putting that back in my baggie. Then I'm going to use one of the things that I've been loving, which is the 24 karat gold collagen eye cream by Physicians Formula. I loving this cream. It is fantastic. I just took the lid, applied it under my eyes. I'm doing this very quickly, talking really quickly so that I can get this done. So just rubbing it under my eyes and over my eyelids. It's my fingers are cold, so it's kind of also a good depuffer. That's a plus. So now I put that on my hands. I'm gonna take my foundation, and this is the Laura Mercier Candlelight Glow. I'm gonna put that all over the face. Hopefully nothing falls off. And just kind of, no, I think I have that on there. So just kind of with my fingers, just gonna apply it with my fingers because who has time for tools right now? I don't. I'm just gonna put that on there, unless I can dig out my Tati beauty tool, because I know I carry that. Let's see. Do I have it? Do I have it? Oh, I'm out of camera because I'm digging in my bag. I do. I've got it. So now I'm gonna use the corner and then just kind of smooth that out. Perfect. 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 This kind of light's a little bright. Whoa. Okay, that's a little better. Medium. That's good. All right. Now turn the car light on. So I smoothed on the candlelight. Now I need eye primer. I don't have eye primer, but I do have this Charlotte Tilbury under eye concealer, and I'm not a big fan of it. I tried it because I saw Tati's Charlotte Tilbury video, and I know she didn't like the concealer, but I heard Charlotte talk about it, and now it has some sort of tree bark in it, and it's supposed to be really nice. Newsflash, it's not. It doesn't do anything under my eyes, but I'm going to use it as a concealer. So I'm going to take Natasha Denona Safari palette. It has these beautiful matte colors, and I'm wearing kind of matte clothes today. So I'm going to take this big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into Aya, and I'm just going to fluff it all over the eyelid. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Perfect, perfect. Good enough. Put the eye brush in my purse, in my little makeup bag. I'm gonna take another fluffy brush, this one. This is from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna go into I think I'm gonna go into Amhara. So I'm gonna take some of that, dust it off a little bit. Then I'm just gonna go into the crease. Whoa, that's bright. Oh, it's a little bright. So hopefully I can smooth that out. Wow. I'm gonna take another fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into Savannah. Just kind of like a green. I'm gonna tap the brush a little bit, and then I'm gonna go into the corner. Just gonna do around right in the corner of the eye, and take a little bit more, and then just kind of go into the crease and on somewhat on the lower lash, on the lower eye lid. Just kind of create some depth with this green because I'm also wearing green. So I like to match my eyeshadows to sometimes my clothes. It just kind of creates a uniform color. I'm just fluffing, blending. Alright, I think that's good. Now I'm going to go some more. I'm going to go into the other eye. So, what do you guys do in the morning? Is this something you enjoy? Nobody has time in the morning to do their makeup. I'm always racing against the clock. Sometimes I don't get to finish it in my car and I have to take my makeup bag with me. So I'm gonna do a little more. I don't like that this eye lost some of the Amhara, so I'm gonna go back in with some Amhara and just kind of fluff it back in there. And then just sweep it back and forth. Sweep it back and forth. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Then I'm gonna take kind of a clean brush and then just kind of buff it through those colors, making sure that they blend on both eyes. Perfect. So sometimes I may save my eyeliner for other days. So that's a nice fluffy moment. Let me take a quick look. Mirror check, kind of smooth out the edges with my fingers. All is good. And I'm gonna go with my eyebrows because I need those. I don't like how my eyes look without the eyebrows. Even if I don't do the eyeliner or if I just do mascara later, I must have my eyebrows because I don't have time at work to dedicate my time. So I'm just gonna take this Colourpop eyebrow pencil and smooth it. Whoa. There we go. And with a finger. Yeah. This is my morning routine when I have 10 minutes in my car. Otherwise, I run with my makeup bag and do it at work. Because I need to look nice, even if I go hide in the bathroom and do this. Because that's what you gotta do sometimes. Another surprise, I'm gonna take one of my Charlotte Tilbury pencils. These eye pencils, these are so cool. These little eye pencil shadows, liners. I'm gonna take the emerald smoky green. This is a Smokey Emerald. And I'm just gonna line my eye. Just like that, lined. So, there we go, nice. That one came a little thicker than I wanted to, so I'll just thicken this side up. It's like an eyeshadow without eyeliners. All right, I'm just gonna take this flush and just kind of blend that eyeshadow. So I don't know what happened there. Hopefully I didn't lose that video. But here we go. There we go.